Hello everyone, welcome to Roy Shari Kutir. Today presenting a pure tissue cotton box sequence embroidery work sari. एकदम pure tissue cotton, no mix, no all over sequence embroidery work. Just look at the design. एकदम full premium quality sari. Just look at the sari. Our own manufacturing product. More color option available all over. Full sequence work sari all over. Just look at the design. More color option available. Just see the color option. Our own manufacturing product only for wholesaler. One piece not available. All time hit and demanding collection. Finally restock now. Just look at the design. More detail this sari, contact my WhatsApp number only for wholesaler.